know, mainstream medicine really offers no hope for autoimmune disorders. There's no cure, and the treatments, let's be honest, can be quite dangerous. Patients with, you know, psoriasis, rheumatoid arthritis are injected with powerful drugs that just wipe out the immune system, and even cancer rates can increase because of those drugs. My guest is Crystal Moore. She is a clinical information trainer and a certified nutritionist with Life Extension, and she's going to discuss some natural ways to rebalance the immune system. Crystal, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, Dr. Mike. It's always a pleasure.
So we don't really know what causes autoimmune disorders, right? But we're learning it's maybe an imbalance in the immune system. What is that?
Yeah, so you know, our immune system and the inflammatory response, they go hand in hand. So you have immune cells that's involved with increasing the inflammatory response, but then you also have immune cells involved with down-regulating inflammation. So helping to keep the body in balance where you're able to fight off foreign pathogens entering into the body and help us heal. But once the healing is complete, then you need to calm down the immune system, calm down the inflammatory response.
When we don't do that, that's that imbalance I think that they're talking about now.
Exactly.
So let's make, this is an important point, so let's make sure this is clear. There's immune cells that attack, and immune cells that calm down.
Exactly.
So we want to rebalance that. And does conventional medicine really do that with those drugs?
Well, unfortunately, and it's so sad with those suffering from these autoimmune diseases, the main area of treatment is just suppressing the immune response, suppressing it so much so that now you are making yourself susceptible to infections, to cancer.
Cancers, right. Okay.
Exactly.
So is there anything in the natural world then that helps to do that balancing act a little bit better?
Well, we now know that white peony root extract is able to help bring the body back in balance. It helps to modulate the immune response. So if you're having an overactive response that you would typically see with autoimmune disease, then it can help to down-regulate that immune system and inflammatory response. And then if you need a boost, maybe you know you are fighting an infection, then it can help to upregulate the immune response.
It sounds like a smart nutrient.
Yes.
It kind of knows what you need and it supplies that. It rebalances to where you need it.
Exactly.
Can I eat it?
Well, I don't know if it's going to taste very,
because
very tasty, but
people want to talk more about, you know, how I can first get it through food, and if that's not the case, it's fine.
It's not something that you're going to find available through food, but then the next best option is an extract.
A capsule.
A capsule, yeah. But to see, the thing is, you have your extract, and the extract needs to be standardized to some of the active components in the peony root extract as well. So
that's a good point, because the food may not have a high enough of those key compounds. That's what standardization is all about. Now, what about allergies? Does this also play a role there? Yeah,
you know, it can be helpful with all of these health conditions that have that immune system, maybe an over-response of the immune system. So allergies, you see that as well. Yes.
Okay, awesome, because I know I have problems with that. Maybe I should give it a try.
Yes.
Crystal, thanks for coming on.
Well, thanks for having me, Dr. Mike.
If you want to learn more about white peony, you can go to www.lef.org/immune. Thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Mike.